The Kingdom of Benin, located in present-day Nigeria, has a rich and complex history dating back over 1,000 years. It was renowned for its sophisticated bronze casting, intricate ivory carvings, and vibrant cultural traditions. The Benin Kingdom reached its zenith of power and influence during the reign of Oba Ewar the Great, 1440–1473, who expanded its territory, established diplomatic relations with neighbouring kingdoms, and centralized the kingdom's administration. Under his rule, Benin became a major political and economic force in West Africa. During the 16th and 17th centuries, the kingdom continued to flourish, with successive Obas strengthening its military, trade networks, and cultural institutions. The Benin bronzes produced during this period are renowned for their artistic excellence and have become emblematic of the kingdom's cultural heritage. However, in the late 19th century, the kingdom's prosperity drew the attention of European powers seeking to exploit Africa's resources. In 1897, a British expedition, led by acting consul General James Phillips, was dispatched to Benin with the pretext of punishing the Oba of Nramwen, for allegedly violating trade agreements and human rights abuses. The British expedition encountered fierce resistance from Benin warriors, but they ultimately overcame the kingdom's defences and captured Benin City. Oba of Nramwen was exiled to Calabar, and the kingdom's treasures, including many of the famous Benin bronzes, were looted and taken to Europa. The capture of the Oba and the subsequent British annexation of Benin marked the end of the kingdom's sovereignty and the beginning of British colonial rule in the region. Despite this, the Kingdom of Benin has endured, and its cultural legacy continues to be celebrated both within Nigeria and around the world. Efforts to repatriate looted artifacts and preserve Benin's cultural heritage remain ongoing.